Boys and girls, let's go over the answers for worksheet number 2. Okay, please remember that you can watch this video as many times as you need to. Pause it, go back and forth. It's definitely here to help you. And also remember to ask any of the adults in the room if you have any questions. All right, so let's look at the first one. 6 times 42. So I'm going to start over here with 42. I'm going to break that up into 40 plus 2. And put that in parentheses, okay? Bring down my 6. So we know from worksheet number 1 that anything outside of a set of parentheses with no sign really means that we need to multiply. So just as a reminder, I'm going to draw in that multiplication sign, box everything out, draw my arrows, and now I have the distributive property all set up for me, okay? So I'm going to wind up with 6 times 40 plus 6 times 2. So 6 times 4 is, oops, sorry guys. 6 times 4 is 24, and I'm just going to carry down that 0. 6 times 2 is 12, so I have 240 plus 12. You can use a calculator for this if you need to, or you can do scratch work off to the side. Okay, so 240 plus 12 gives you a final answer of 252. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. 7 times 49. So I'm going to look at 49 and I'm going to break it up into 40 plus 9. All right, bring down my 7. I will then use the red color here. I'll draw in my multiplication sign, box out everything that is outside the parentheses, draw my distributive arrows to remind me to hand out and rewrite. So I'm going to wind up with 7 times 40 plus 7 times 9. Okay. Oh, you know what? This looks like a 6. So 7 times 40. There we go. I fixed it. 7 times 4 is 20. Okay. Bring down that 0. So you get 280. 7 times 9 is 63. You can, again, add this in the calculator if you need to, or do scratch work off to the side. 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. Your final answer should be 343. All right, last but not least, 8 times 56. So I'm going to break up that 56 into 50 plus 6, and then bring down my 8. All right, draw my multiplication sign, box everything out. Draw my distributive property arrows and rewrite. So I get 8 times 50 plus 8 times 6. Okay, 8 times 5 is 40, and then just bring down that extra 0, so you get 400. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, again, you can use a calculator or just do scratch work. And remember, you can use a calculator for any of this, but you just need to show your work. So your final answer is 448. Good job, guys.